Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get referral link in Raid Shadow Legends. If you want to invite friends to Raid Shadow Legends and grab some extra rewards, the referral link is what you use. You can find it right below your profile on the main screen under the referral program. Just tap it, and I'll show you options to generate your referral link. You can copy it, save it, or send it directly to friends. Once your friends join through that link and start playing, you both get bonuses. For example, after 3 referred friends reach level 50, you unlock extra rewards in the program. The key is to make sure your friends are active so you actually get the bonuses. That's really all there is to it. Just grab your link, share it, and enjoy the extra rewards from the referral program. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.